Hello everyone, my name is Donald. Today we will assemble the bed with gas lift and the front drawer. Okay, let's start. First, you find these two panels. Put this little screw into this white plastic. And then you put the cam lock. There's an arrow on the cam lock. This one point to the hole here, like this. To here, to here, to here, and to here. And then connect these two panels together. Fasten. Okay. And then for the bed head in the middle, put this black also. This one you will find the timber butt. Put this one into the middle hole, And then they say the side rail, same like these two black on this side, and this one, the long screw like this. Put two on here, two on here. Okay, and then connect this side rail to this panel. Fasten this cam lock. Okay. And on the other side, like this. I don't fasten yet because we have to pull this panel. After we pull this panel, we can fasten this part. Now we connect to the bed head. You fasten the front part. Okay. After that, now we put this panel. Make sure these two holes at the bottom, not on the top. Okay. Then you will use this half moon shape bolt, the smaller one, and these two nuts to fasten inside. Here. Put this one inside. The nuts. other side. Same, smaller one. Then use this key to fasten. Okay, same on the other side. And fasten the bed head. Use these two screws, long screw with a little head, and the bigger half moon shaped bolt with a thread inside. This one here. Like the other side first. Okay, fasten, use the drill. So this one at the back. Okay, then we use this black cover to cover the holes. Okay, same on the other side. Now two more to cover. The other side. Now we assemble this. This one at the bottom, not like this, like this. And use the smallest screws. In the instruction, it said 15 millimeters. On the other side. Same on the other side. Now we push the bed to the right position. When you move the bed, make sure you push from this end, not in the bed head. Then we can put these panels. No attachment, just cover the floor. Okay, now we attach the arm, gaslift arm. You can see the cap. There are 4 caps on each side rail put in, and then use this screw. In the instructions at 25 millimeters, the middle size. Put it here. You can see the gap. Make sure the gap at the behind. Make sure this gap at behind. Take this off. Leave it here. Make it down. Same on the other side. Pull the caps first. Then use these screws. Take this off. Then we put a slat on. and strap to lift up. Okay. Then I use these screws. So that's the longest screw, about 40 millimeters. This one washer and this screw to fasten. There are 3 holes on each side. Okay. Before you fasten these screws, make sure there's no gap. There's a gap in the front. See, now it's touched. Move the slat back from here. Move it back. Make sure it's not touched on the side rail. No touch in the bed head. And same on the other side. Okay. Now you can fasten. Okay. Now you can lift up to connect this strut. Put this screw. Oh. Here. Okay. Same on the other side. Because it's a brand new one, so when you push it down, you need to push down very hard. See, it's tight. Push down very hard to push in for the first time. After you put the mattress on, it's easy to push down. It's lift up. Okay. Now we'll assemble the front drawer part. First, you'll find this panel. Same, you put the cam lock on here, and you will see the recommended pre-drilled holes for these wheels. You can put here, or you can put other place if you want. Okay, 4 wheels, 2, 3, on this side, yeah, 4 screws. Okay. And then you find this panel. You put the cam block here and 2 back one here. See there are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect to this 4. Fasten the cam lock. Then you'll find the middle panel like this for cam lock, and then you make sure you assemble like this. This is the white one on the top, not like this. This at the bottom. You can assemble like this or this, anywhere you want. But make sure this on the top. Then the side 4, and this 2 cam lock here. The other side 4 screws, 2 cam lock. Then you turn over to fasten these screws. Two on here, and then the panel like this. Put all the screws like this. Fasten the cam lock. Turn over. Don't forget there are 2 connect here. The cam lock doesn't fit. How to change? Undo here. fasten the camera. Fasten these two. Okay, put this underneath the bed. You will find this part attached to here. This part you put in the front. When you lift up the mattress, it will stop the mattress. And also you will find this part probably in the instruction on the last page. You will see at the right bottom, it's not for this model, it's for the model without the front drawer, so you can leave it. There's a light and a wireless charger in the bed head. So if you put your finger 3 seconds on the switch, it will become dim, and you put your finger again, it will become bright. Okay, that's all. Thank you.